If your store item is linked to a PayPal button, you would need to update your button information in order to update the information for that item. In this video, we will show you how to update button information. As with creating buttons, to update buttons you would need to go to the My Selling Tools section of Profile. PayPal keeps all your buttons in one section under Selling Online. Simply click the Update link for the PayPal Buttons line. To update a button, we click the Actions drop-down for the button we want and select Edit Button. There are three main reasons to update an item: price, selection, and inventory. Price is found within the first step. Simply update the price and save the changes. Selection refers to the drop-down options. Whenever an option needs to be removed or added, you will need to update the drop-down. Whenever an update to the drop-down is made, the code on your website will need to be updated. Inventory can be found within Step 2. You can update inventory by item as well as by drop-down options. Simply enter in your new inventory numbers. Once all updates have been completed, click the Save Changes button. Remember, when updating price and inventory, you won't need to update the code. But when updating the drop-down, you will need to replace your old code with the new one.